Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about whoever you are, you stole from the wrong one. Customer is getting paid back on DoorDash driver who allegedly took her $129 PF Chang's order. So food theft in the gig economy, as you know, is not unheard of, and it's usually the ones that are really bad that ended up making it viral. With that said, I actually want to go over what is being said in this article before I go into any assumptions, how it actually is for gig workers and customers and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A TikToker claimed that she had $129 worth of PF Chang stolen by a DoorDash delivery driver, has taken a turn right to the police station. You know, usually when I see a DoorDash order like this, you usually just go through DoorDash and that's it. That's the end of it. I rarely ever see the police ever get involved in terms of how this operates. While other DoorDash customers would have been content with getting a refund, Nashville-based beauty and lifestyle influencer Happilyhockensmith, took it one step further to ensure the driver could not take anything from anyone else. I'm going to leave her TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you could develop your own opinions on the subject. I'm going to be real with you. I'm not saying that what she has gone through is wrong. I'm not saying it's a lie or anything like that. But usually when I see influencer, beauty, lifestyle, or something to that effect, a lot of the times it's for views. Could they be exaggerating it to a degree? Sure. Could it have happened exactly the way she said? Absolutely. But I do want to aware that that is a possibility with this article. Whoever you are, you stole from the wrong one, she said in the video. $129 worth of food, y'all, from PF Chang's. It's not about the money, it's the principle. I knew I was gonna get my money back, so I wasn't worried about that. Yeah, unless you're the type of person to abuse the refund method, you're not gonna have much problems in terms of getting your refund back. DoorDash is kind of good about that unless it's abused. Hockensmith said she made plans to file a police report after speaking with a member of DoorDash's customer service team, as the tone of the conversation changed entirely when she mentioned getting the police involved. So you told support that you were getting the police involved, and suddenly the tone changed. No wonder why. They get jumpy when you say stuff like that. When I was on the phone with DoorDash, they were super nice and stuff, but I told them I should take my tail down to the police station and file a report, she recalled. Y'all, when I said that, the conversation completely changed. I'm not saying being a Karen wasn't justified here, and I don't even like calling it being a Karen because something genuinely bad happened and you stood up for yourself. The police aren't gonna do too much about this, and Dasher Sport isn't equipped enough to handle this either. She then addressed the driver. I'm going to the police station tomorrow. I'm gonna find out who you are. I'm gonna make sure you don't steal from nobody else, she said. DoorDash actually does work with the police very often. In fact, they have a specific link they go to that they can actually request information if they have to. Keep in mind, drivers, this is 100% possible. If you are the type of dirty dasher out there, there can be somebody who goes to the police station and they can actually request the information so you get arrested. It's not unheard of. In fact, let's say you're on a delivery and this happens, they will literally pull you over, arrest you, take the food, and deliver it themselves. That's actually happened more than once. Hackensmith's video amassed 225,000 views in under a day. It is unclear if she followed through with the filing a police report. She has yet to provide viewers with an update on the incident. However, she seems displeased with DoorDash's response. As she captioned the video, DoorDash, I'm still waiting on my phone call back. Yeah, don't trust Dasher or customer support under any circumstances. Their job is to get you on the phone and off the phone as quickly as possible, regardless of if they actually solve the problem or not. My favorite is when they still send you like the please rate my service email, like, oh my god, like, no crap, it was crappy service. You didn't do your job. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. I wouldn't be surprised if this actually happened. It actually does seem like she got the refund and the order from PF Chang's did not get delivered. So that is 100% possible. Could she have exaggerated on filing a police report? Yes. Is it possible that she did and it just didn't go anywhere? Yeah, the police are funny because it doesn't matter if they actually did break the law. It matters if they're willing to do something about it. And a lot of times, no, they're not. The amount of times I've heard people say, we went to the police, but they didn't want to do anything about it, is amazing. And then there are still people who are like, wow, the police are such great people. Oh my God. And they're basically worshiping them like they're some sort of Jesus. But I'm starting to wonder if the police are a figurehead or if they're actually doing their job at some point. But for the few times that they do their job, they make the news. The one time you arrested a DoorDash driver and then delivered the food, that's what makes the news. But the times when you don't do your job casually gets forgotten about, like seriously? Now, before I get the comment section attacking me, try calling 911 and having them not show up. No, not only have I been through that and they not do their job, I have come from a family of blue bloods, of people who have been in the New York State Police Department, county police departments, all city police departments, all over the place. And they chose to screw me over anyway. So it's not like I'm coming out of this with absolutely no frame of reference on both sides. I know exactly what both sides do and the piss poor integrity and character of the law enforcement community. But that's not what this video is about. Would surprise me if they took in the report, say, hey, we're gonna look into it, and then casually just not mention them not looking into it. Yes, 100%. Like, she even said, I'm waiting for my call back. What are they gonna tell you? Like, realistically speaking, even if they get the driver arrested, right? They're not going to tell you about it. People get deactivated all the time and receive absolutely no update. That's why you hear customers like, oh, they keep doing things to get off scot-free. No, we freaking don't. We get contract violations for things we can't control. We get deactivated and they just refuse to tell us why we were deactivated. So we can't fight back. And in this particular case, that can potentially be arrested and we would never know about it. So just because you don't hear about the things that are going down doesn't mean they're not happening. All in all, I hope that this person got the justice she claims to have received. I really hope that this doesn't happen to her in the future. But at the end of the day, we are talking about DoorDash, and there's always going to be dirty dashers, and there's always going to be customers that want to make their voice heard about said dirty dashers. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!